Hey, so this is going to be a quick review on this 8,000 pound jack for trailers. Now, my wife had a great idea to purchase an Airbus, and it had a trash jack on it, and because we needed to be parked on a flat surface, we needed to switch out to a jack like this. And first off, this is a behemoth. It did take about 20 to 30 minutes to install. As you can see, here are the hookups right here. It basically bolts to the bar, and we had to get this type of setup because of this. Like, we're so new to this, I don't know what this is. I'm guessing it's a brake, but yeah, we needed one that bolted to the bar, and we got it as close to center as possible so that the trailer wouldn't shift. And what we love about this one has the hand crank, or we can crank it. It comes with the tool. I don't have it with me right now, but I do have a drill, and they were good enough to send a spare socket so that you can put on your drill. And it even came with the socket thing, the thing that the socket goes on. I forgot the name of it, but put this on a drill, and I basically gave my wife this drill to keep in the trailer. And this is how we're gonna heighten it or pull it off of the trailer now. So you just turn it like this, and you see how easy that is. That just starts coming up, and if you want to let it down, just turn it like that. So let's go ahead and release that. I think that's it. Just gotta figure out how to get this off. Well, that's the least of the problems. I gotta figure it out, but you see how it works. Highly recommended if you need a trailer jack that attaches to one of these bars. Just make sure you have the clearance for it, the space. And for this, I had to use a socket wrench and a wrench, just a regular wrench for the bolts. And yeah, everything lined up perfect. This is super tight. What it looks like when you take it completely off of the ball, it literally just lifts it right off of the ball, so you don't have to worry about it. And it came with a jack like this. We actually had to replace it, but we have this spare jack on the side just in case. But this one lifts 8,000 pounds. This is overkill for this Airbus, but I wanted to get something that we were sure would hold up, and this is more than we expected, so highly recommend it. And what's best of all, is somewhat compact. You do have to just make sure you have the clearance to do the crank, but for us, we just have to move this brake. But if that wasn't in the way, that would be ample space to crank it. So we can do it manual or with the drill. All right, thank you for watching. You have a blessed day.